Signofied LLC is back at it in July, looking to create a custom resume that stands out without spending hours formatting or hiring a designer? In this video, we'll show you how to use ChatGPT tools to build a powerful, tailored AI resume in minutes. Whether you're applying for a job in tech, marketing, or healthcare, I'll use AI to create a resume that gets noticed. So, why use ChatGPT for resumes? Well, ChatGPT can analyze job descriptions, rewrite bullet points, and format your resume like a pro. Here's why it's a game changer. It saves you time. It instantly tailors your resume to any job. It uses industry keywords to beat those pesky applicant tracking systems, ATS for short. And best of all, it's free if you use the right prompts. Before you start, make sure you have 3 things ready. First, a list of your work history, skills, and accomplishments. Second, the job description you're targeting. Third, access to ChatGPT. Either the free or plus version works. For bonus points, you can use plugins like Code Interpreter or ChatGPT Resume Builder for extra formatting help. Now let's talk about crafting the prompt. Here's the one I use to generate resumes fast. Act as a professional resume writer. Based on the following job description and my experience, create a custom ATS-optimized resume in a modern format. Include a strong summary, skill section, and tailored bullet points. Make it 1 page. My experience, paste your info. Job description, paste job post. This prompt tells ChatGPT exactly what you want, customized, keyword-rich, and clean. Once you get the AI draft, review it for keyword alignment, impactful verbs, think led, launched, or optimized, and fix any formatting issues. Tools like JobScan or Resi can double-check your resume's ATS compatibility, which is always a good idea. If you want a done-for-you ChatGPT resume template, contact us at sig-nofied.services@gmail.com. Now, just copy your new resume into Google Docs or Word. You can use free templates or paste into Canva if you want that extra visual polish. ChatGPT won't handle the design yet, but it nails the content, and honestly, that's 80% of what recruiters care about. And that's it, a complete AI resume using ChatGPT tools in under 10 minutes. Use this to apply smarter, not harder. Like this video and subscribe to the Signofied LLC YouTube if you want more content on how to shape your career using AI.